like your coffee with a kick, then this video is for you. From a Himalayan cold brew coffee liqueur made with traditional Uttarakhandi rice spirit to a Goan coffee rum that has only 1300 bottles in existence, this lineup is gonna make you forget all about Kahlua. Welcome to What to Drink, where I break down the most exciting spirits that you can actually get your hands on. And today's episode is all about Indian coffee liqueurs. First up, we've got Bandarful. Born in the heart of Kumaon in Uttarakhand, Bandarful by Himalaya Spirits is an artisanal cold brew coffee liqueur. Now, what sets Bandarful apart from all its competitors is the choice of spirit used. बाकी लोग रम यूज करते हैं, वोडका यूज करते हैं. इन लोगों ने एक ट्रेडिशनल उत्तराखंडी राइस स्पिरिट यूज किया जो कि लुगड़ी के नाम से जानी जाती है. It's made using broken rice and they've blended that with Himalayan spring water and medium dark Arabica beans from Chikmagalur. The design बहुत प्यारा है यार. It's got this very fun, playful, vibrant energy, much like the langur itself, who's their mascot. Also, it embodies the farm to bottle philosophy that Himalaya Spirits endorses, which means सब कुछ सीधा farm से without middlemen is coming to them and they're making the spirit. The palate, of course, has a very, very delicious coffee with a gentle fruitiness. थोड़ा हल्का सा एक vanilla का taste है. What I really like is the oils of the coffee ना. They're giving it a very interesting, velvety sort of silky texture, which is what is making it really good. अभी थोड़ी हम बिना बर्फ के पी रहे हैं, but बर्फ के साथ wow. It's got an ABV of 25%, which is definitely on the lower end. So please feel free to go crazy and दबाओ यार इसको. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Please don't do that. Jokes aside, drink responsibly. It's a great liquid. It's definitely on the lighter end. So you can possibly have one extra drink than you would with other coffee liqueurs. It's priced at 1850 rupees in Goa, which makes it, I would assume, a mid-level drink for most people, but worth every penny. Feel free to add it to some desserts, man. Add it to your vanilla ice cream. Or if you're feeling funky, add it to some rasmalai, some rasgulla, and tell us in the comments what you thought. Okay, next up, we've got the Teller. It's a coffee rum liqueur, which means it's made with molasses spirit and coffee beans from Chikmagalur. The bottle design also is very cool. I think it's got this very bold, very mystical, thoda, oil color type design. It's got a lot of small elements. It's kind of cool, man. It's giving me that old school psychedelic Goa vibes. It's coffee forward. It is a coffee liqueur, but I think जो इन्होंने coffee use करी है और जो इन्होंने use करी है, दोनों में थोड़ा फर्क था taste का. It has some flavors of dark chocolate, a little bit of toasty caramel. What's interesting is that क्योंकि ये molasses spirit से बना है, तो उसकी एक earthy sweetness आ रही है. This has got an ABV of 30%, stronger than Bandarful, but a smooth drink nonetheless. The spirit part of it, I think, does come through a little bit more. Maybe it's due to the molasses spirit or the process. It's priced at the same price point at 1850 in Goa, so the same category. I like to have all my coffee liqueurs on ice, but a really great way to have this is in a White Russian. Or if there's a better way to have the Teller, let me know and I will try that out. And the third and last one for today is the Kama Kapi Rum or the Kama Coffee Rum. अब देखो यही है जिसकी 1300 बॉटल्स बनी थी सिर्फ. सो प्लीज डोंट कम एट मी, प्लीज डोंट अब्यूज मी कि यार हमें मिल नहीं रही हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ 1300 बॉटल. देखो इस पे लिखा हुआ है मुझे बॉटल नंबर 26 मिली है. देखो मेरा काम आपको बताना है इसके बारे में, वो मैं बता रहा हूँ. आपके नसीब में होगी तो आपको मिल जाएगी. सो Kama, as you would know from the very best seller of all time, Kama Sutra. Kama means passion in Sanskrit. It's made with a blend of cane and molasses spirit infused with some monsoon Malabar coffee from Chikmagalur. The bottle design is also very simple. It's got Kama written on this in this very gold, intricate, embossed way, and it's got some mandala artwork. Both very representative of, I think, Indian culture. And what I really like about it is that they've put everything out in the front. Everything that I'm about to tell you, ना कि इसमें कौन सा taste है और क्या flavor है और किस चीज़ से बनी है, सब इन्होंने यहीं पर लिख दिया है. मैं आपसे छुपा के रखूँगा वरना आप बोलोगे तेरी वीडियो देखने का क्या point है. Let's drink this. That makes sense. Yeah, this is at 40%. This is not a liqueur. Sorry about that, guys. It's a great spirit nonetheless, but hear me out. It's at 40%, so of course it is a bit stronger. It is a lot more spirit forward. The coffee does come through, but the really earthy sort of grounded notes of the rum are also there, along with a little bit of nuttiness and a little bit of chocolatey flavor. At 40% ABV and 1200 rupees in Goa, this is definitely more bang for your buck or more bang for your liquor. This is liquor, this is liqueur. I would suggest you try this with, I think, a touch of tonic would make it really well. That little fizz that it'll add and a little bit of sugar will make it a lot more palatable for people who don't want it to be so spirit forward. Alright guys, so that was your coffee liqueur lineup. That's Bandarful, that's the Teller, and that's Kama. All very different, all at different ABVs. Similar price category, but very, very different from each other nonetheless. My personal favorite would be Bandarful. I think I like that it's at 25% ABV. It's got a very nice texture that I'm a fan of. And yeah, I feel like I can slam a lot more of these than the others. If you've had the chance to try one or all of these, let us in the comments which one's your favorite and why. Check the description for more details on their price, their availability, and the cocktail recipes that I mentioned. So if you've enjoyed this video, like it, give it a share, and please don't forget to subscribe to Unsober so that I can tell you what to drink and also where to drink. Until then, cheers and stay unsober.